They said nobody could walk on the moon, but now it's got footprints in it. They said we never would make it through, but we shattered all those limits. All my life, there's always been a fire inside. I've waited, now the time is right to reach for the stars, like the whole sky is.
So hindi yung produktong Bagani yung bida dito. Hindi siya yung hero eh. Sandata lang si Bagani. Ang tunay na hero, yun si Kuya Ray na jeep driver. Yun si Manong, si tricycle driver. Yung mga TNBS dyan.
Gusto namin, ang mga partners namin, mauna kayo. We want you to have margin. We want you to move volume while the rest of the market is still adjusting. After tonight, be aligned with market reality. So I encourage everyone here tonight, take advantage of this opportunity.
This only happens once in a lifetime. This only happens once in a lifetime. I've seen this moment only in my wildest dreams, and I can't believe it's happening to me. I can't believe it's happening to me.
Ang Bagani ay hindi ginawa para sumabay. Ginawa ito para baguhin ang laro. Proudly, Philippine-made. Ginawa ang Bagani para sa kondisyon ng Pilipinas. Pero gamit namin ay international standard. Walang shortcut dito.
This is it, this is it. It's everything that we waited for. Take it in, take it in. It's everything that we waited for. This only happens once in a lifetime. This only happens once in a lifetime. I've seen this moment only in my.
Dito kami, kasama nyo kami. So pumili kayo ng brand na ipaglalaban ka at lalaban kasama mo. Ngayon, tawagin ulit natin ang mga bayani ng kalsada.